Hi, good afternoon. This is Christian Bao calling from UPS. This call may be recorded for quality and training purposes. May I speak in someone in accounts payable, please? Your name and title. Thanks for that information, ma'am. We are calling about for shipping number 123456 regarding your shipper number 123456. Thanks for that. It shows you have a balance of $100 with invoices open from December 21 to 31st to February 1. We're just calling about payment information. Thank you so much for that, ma'am. Your account is on net 25-day terms. To avoid late fees, you can visit us at ups.com/billing center and pay your future billing online invoices online. Thanks for shipping UPS. Have a great day.